Friends, today we'll discuss calculation of earthwork for roads by midsection area method. So, problem statement is prepare a detailed estimate for a portion of a road with the following data. Formation width of the road is 10 meter. Side slope in banking is 2:1. Side slope in cutting is 1.5:1. The formation level at zero chainage is 212 meters. And from there is a falling gradient of 1 into 100 up to the end chainage, that is 300. So you will solve the problem by midsection area method. So first of all, you have to draw the mass hall diagram indicating the longitudinal profile of the road and the ground. Blue line indicates the ground level and red line indicates the formation level. So you can notice there is a falling gradient of 1 into 100 right from 0 chainage to 300 chainage. That is for every 100 meters there is a fall of 0. For every 30 meters there is a fall of 0.15 meter. So here you can see that unlike with the other method, solved problems, here the ground level crosses the formation level at a point where in between 120 and 180. So you have to find the distance from any chainage, the distance where the ground meets the formation level. So from calculation it is 8.8 meter. Let us see how it works. So if I calculate, if you see the ordinates at 120 chainage and 150 chainage, the ordinates are 0.25 at 120 chainage and 0.6 meter on the 150 chainage. So if you consider x distance, that is a distance from 120 chainage as x where the ground meets the formation level, so remaining distance will be 30 minus x. So from similar triangles we can see that x divided by 0.25 will be equal to 30 minus x divided by 0.6. From this we get x as 8.8 meters. So that is written here. That is from 120 chainage the distance is 8.8 meters. So if you draw the mass hall diagram with the statements of reduced levels, so bottom most is station or chainage, then RL of the ground, then RL of formation, then banking quantity and the cutting quantity. So you can notice the at chainage 128.8 there is no banking and there is no cutting, which is very clear from the figure. Then up to 128.8 there is filling quantity, and after 128.8 it is banking quantity. So you have to record the statements like this. So banking depth will be RL of formation minus RL of the ground, and cutting depth will be RL of the ground minus RL of the formation. So here formation level there is a falling gradient of 1 into 100, that is 0.15 meter for every 30 meters. Then prepare the table. So here in the table, so first column is station or chainage, second is RL of ground and RL of formation, third column is depth, fourth column is mean depth or mean height, then area of central portion, that is B into dm, area of sides SD square, total area is BDM plus SDM square, then length between the stations, that is 30 apart from the where the ground meets the formation. Then total quantity is calculated as BDM square plus SDM square into L. So if you notice here, mean depth will be for 0, it is depth will be 2 meters at 0 chainage, 1.6 meter at 30 chainage, average of that will be 1.8, and B into dm is multiplied by 10, that is 18. Then SD square you have to calculate 2 into 1.8 square, that is 6.48. So BDM plus dm square will be 24.48 into length between station 1 and 2, it is 30. So you have to add here one more this one, that is at 128.8 the depth arc of cutting or banking is 0. So at 120 Chinese the depth is 0.25 and at 128.8 it is 0. So you have to take average, that is 0.125 as the mean depth. Then for remaining item, that is at 128 it is 0 and for 150 it is 0.6. So average will be 0.3 as indicated here. Then while taking length between station for 0 for 120 up to 120 you have to take 30, and where the ground meets the formation that distance is 8.8. So you have to multiply here BDM plus SDM square by 8.8 meters, and that you have to record in banking quantity. Then remaining depth, that will be 30 minus 8.8, that is 21.2. So that 21.2 into 3.14 you have to record in cutting quantity. So total quantity in cutting will be 1302.44 meter, and in banking it is 1718.81 cubic meter. Thank you.